try to wipe away that frown, and you're worried I can see your tears, and I'm not you, but I can't imagine what you fear. And we can't be sure what life will bring, but we can relax and listen to the angels as they sing. Tell you that everything will be okay, but we have much more than savvy light to let us know for certain that everything is fine. And I realize that the simple therapy might not be exactly what you need.